Flash flood warning.
Important message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 6:38 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Santa Clara County in Northern California, Santa Cruz County in Northern California, Central San Mateo County in Northern California until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 6:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, local law enforcement officials have reported numerous road closures and mudslides in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Flash flooding may also occur on Lower Soquel and Corralitos Creeks in the San Lorenzo River in Paradise Park and Felton Grove. Additional mudslides and roadway flooding is expected. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Impressive. Well, this one is flash flood warning. Good.